Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to defragment and optimize your hard drive on your ASUS ExpertBook. So first open the File Explorer and right click on your disk, which you can find in the Disk PC section of the File Explorer. Press on Properties, then go to Tools, and first you can perform an error check. This will take, there's a solid state drive, that was my mistake, and they're really fast, so it will take a couple of seconds. I'm going to cancel it because I have done it before and I need to. And then you can press Optimize, choose your disk, and press Optimize. And your solid state drive will be automatically optimized and defragmented. And if anything comes up, you'll get an notification. So if you enjoyed this video and if you consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.